Leetcode daily challenge. It is a median problem, 3583, count special triplets. So first of all, for any given number 3, we want to find out the combination of numbers I, j, k, where numbers I equals to numbers k and is twice as numbers j. So take 3 as an example, then we are looking for a number equals to 6. A second step, if we check this array for the given number 3, there's 1 6 before 3 and 1 6 after 3. That's gonna be 1 times 1 equals to 1 combination. And similar to if it is 6 6 3 6 6, then it's gonna be 2 by 2 4 combination. So where we can see we do want to count the total number of 6. So count 6. But count 6 is not good enough. We want to see for this given number, what's the total number of 6 before this 3? And what is the total number of 6 after 3? Well, actually, we can do step 2 and step 3 at the same time. And one more thing is that there's a special number which is 0. We can take care of 0 separately, but that's the approach how we count, and which is not a double loop. This is just a one layer loop, which won't bring us any TLE.